Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this watch. It's a paper watch, so please follow the instructions. So first you make like this, like a triangle shape, and then remove it, and it's like a diamond, you see. And from this point to this point we're gonna put there. Just need to be as it is. And yeah, so I did it. And now this point, okay, this point to this point, we're gonna match it neatly. And from this point to this point, we're again gonna do that. So you need this structure. I'm gonna cut this in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I cut off this edges here, and now we're gonna flip this like this, and this edge to this edge we're gonna fold it just like this, and this point to this point we're gonna fold it again, the same direction. And now we fold it like this. Then you take it reverse like this and fold it back like here like this. And another thing just like this. Now I'm gonna remove this fold and I'm gonna put here. Wait just a second. And you take this thing. Can you see inside? And now I'm gonna do it like this perfectly. There we go. And another thing, you should flip it and again do the same thing, but not to this point, only this point to the right side. And now you're gonna do the same thing like this. See, just dig your finger in it and just do this. Satisfying, right? And then if you get this structure, do one thing. You just need to fold it like this. Another side also the same. Folding it like this. And the next step is this point to this point we're going to fold it just like this, and the same thing on another side, the opposite directions, and flip it and do the same thing just like this. And this side to this side also we're going to do the same thing. There we go. And now we flip it like this. Take this, fold it like here. Okay, and flip it like this. And we fold it right here. Both should be equally matched. And you see the magic here. Just like this. Now, you just set it like this. And we're going to decorate it and put some things on here. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2. Okay, I did it. We got a butterfly here and some hearts. I'm going to put this on my wrist here. 3, 2, 1. There we go, guys. I fixed it. Here is the point where we do it. There. This is our watch. See this? Thank you for watching. Bye.